How do you know if Jupiter is good or bad in the horoscope? Let me tell you, first of all, what is planet Jupiter? Jupiter represents knowledge, Jupiter represents wisdom, Jupiter represents development, Jupiter represents growth, Jupiter represents expansion, Jupiter represents positivity, Jupiter represents optimism, Jupiter represents gurus, the kind of mentors that you encounter in your life. So most importantly, people with strong Jupiter are very positive minded. They can able to counsel other people and they can able to give that suggestions. You might have seen some people in the advisory board and also in the across the top management, and also people who are acting as a members for the financial institutions or religious institutions. For all those people, Jupiter blessing is there. So let me tell you from the horoscope point of view, at what point of time Jupiter is considered as good and what point of time Jupiter is considered as bad. Jupiter in Cancer zodiac sign is considered as super positive, because in Cancer Jupiter is considered as exalted, whereas Jupiter in Capricorn is considered as debilitated. That means the Jupiter has lost its energy. So Jupiter in Cancer is considered as exalted, Jupiter in Capricorn is considered as debilitated. Alright, so and also Jupiter in Sagittarius and Jupiter in Pisces is considered as positive, Jupiter in Scorpio and Jupiter in Aries is considered as positive, and also Jupiter in Leo as well as Cancer is considered as positive. Especially Jupiter in Venus zodiac signs, that is Libra as well as Taurus, and also in Virgo and Gemini, and also in Capricorn zodiac sign, of course, and also Saturn zodiac sign, it is considered as neutral, of course, like Aquarius, right? So especially Venus zodiac signs as well as Mercury zodiac signs, Jupiter is considered as negative. So, and also Jupiter is super weak in Capricorn zodiac sign because Jupiter becomes debilitated. That means technically it has lost its power. It cannot able to provide its own blessings. So during that point of time, you have to follow certain remedies for planet Jupiter. You need to do meditation, you need to do some charity for NGOs, or you can serve some people, right? But also you can able to support the educational institutions by offering some money to them and all that. So in that way, you can able to bring the positive change in your life, and also you can bring the smile in the people's lives as well. And also you can able to teach some people for free. If you teach people for free, the energy of Jupiter will be raised. All right. So this happens. So it depends upon the horoscope Jupiter placements, and also what is the placement in your D10 chart, what is the placement in D9 chart, what is the placement in D1 chart. All these things plays a major role in terms of finding of the Jupiter's magnetism as well as Jupiter's blessings in the horoscope. So most importantly, planet Jupiter is considered as optimism. Wherever planet Jupiter is, righteousness will be there, and these people will be respected for their wisdom and knowledge. And Jupiter is considered as super positive in the Cancer zodiac sign, and these people are considered as super lucky. We don't even see these people's horoscope, because Jupiter in Cancer zodiac sign brings wealth and also expansion, and also brings the development in the people's life. All right, all these things happens if Jupiter is in the good state, and also if Jupiter goes into the bad state, into the weaker state, obviously the negative characteristics will be taking place. All right, so that's it from my side, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you so much for accessing, and thank you so much for providing your valuable comments under my YouTube videos. I'm really happy to share this knowledge, because my objective is to help you with the knowledge of Vedic astrology. So thank you so much for staying tuned for entire this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video by having some information from this video. And planet Jupiter is considered as the most important planet, because he is the Karaka for marriage, he is the Karaka for wealth, he is the Karaka for business expansion, for anything, even for children. All these things, Jupiter is considered as most auspicious and important planet in the Vedic system. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If at all you need my astrological consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for an astrological consultation. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. Alright, so thank you so much, and bye for now.